What's up guys, welcome to TANSAFTECH YouTube channel. Let's talk about the Huawei Mate 8 Pro, which is Huawei's upcoming flagship phone. We are getting leaks and renders for this ultimate beast, which is expected to be coming in October or November this year. The trusted resource IC Universe has tweeted many leaks related to Huawei Mate 30 Pro. The number one leak is V2.0 display, which was reportedly earlier is the Samsung project, which they cancelled for some unknown reason. The leaked images shows Mate 30 Pro will have a curved screen with almost 90% of the edges are covered with screen, which make me thought about the side buttons where they are going to be placed or how Huawei deals with that issue. They may use same approach like Samsung in their edge devices by providing buttons virtually around edges. But all in all, it will be a complex design. It was speculation that Mate 30 Pro will have a same design like Note 10, but it is confirmed Mate 30 Pro will have a notch on front. The front panel images shows a notch. Yes, Mate 30 Pro will come with a notch. There will be no punch hole like Samsung S10. As now Samsung is only company which have technology to dig punch hole in screen, and they keep this technology to themselves a little bit longer. The Mate Pro will come with in-display fingerprint scanner, but with notch, they will also want to implement best selfie camera as well as iris face recognition scanner for the face unlock. Moving on the back side of Mate 30 Pro, we see a circular design for camera, as their previous square design is copied by Google and Apple. They come up with a new idea of circular camera, which is kind of nice and different. Mate 30 Pro camera will be better than P30 Pro. It will have an optical zoom, as this innovation is also from Samsung and they haven't used it and letting Huawei to implement it. It will also come with a night mode camera that will be better than the current camera in the market. Another thing which is rumored that the Mate 30 screen will be 6.71 inch with 90 Hz refresh rate, which is only implemented in OnePlus 7 Pro and got a great response. The battery size of Mate 30 Pro will be around 4700 mAh, which can last for a whole day. Along with that, it is expected to come with a fast charger. We don't know the exact detail, but rumors suggest it will be 55 watt of charger. Along with the 55 watt of charger, there will be a 10 watt of reverse wireless charging, which is insane. Mate 30 Pro in this year come with a new Kirin chip, which they have developed by themselves. We did not know the name of the chip yet. Since US ban on Huawei has been lifted, there are still some restrictions. The software which will be used in Mate 30 Pro, most probably the Google's latest variant Android Q. As Huawei has made its own software, they will not use it sooner. All in all, Mate 30 Pro will be fully high-end spec device. Let's see what happen in future. Let you tell me in comment section below what do you think about this device. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and peace out.